A new smoke-free campus policy will soon hit Georgia college campuses. The policy will ban the use of all tobacco products on all college campuses in Georgia.
When I first heard about it, I was kind of upset a little because people are going to smoke whether or not there's a ban, and it's kind of frustrating that there's no longer going to be specific locations for us to smoke, and so I'm kind of a little upset about it.
The ban includes cigarettes, cigars, smokeless tobacco, hookah, and electronic cigarettes.
Well, an e-cigarette is, once you inhale it and then you go to exhale, it's only your breath. It's your breath and water vapor. The water vapor is in your breath anyway because that's just part of human biology. I don't see the reasoning behind them. I don't even see why they're connected as the same thing. It's not a tobacco product. It's a nicotine product. It's like Nicorette gum or nicotine patches. It's the same as banning those things.
Non-smoking student Natalie Mao didn't know that e-cigarettes were part of the ban.
I think we're adults, so if you want to use dip and you want to use an e-cig or a cigarette, that's fine. I don't think cigarettes on campus are a good thing just for people who don't want to be around them. It's mindful for everyone else.
All students, faculty, staff, and administrators on any campus in the state will be required to adhere to this new regulation. Supervisors will enforce the ban for faculty members, but it's too early to tell exactly how the ban will be enforced for students.
We have until October 1st for each school to develop its own way of handling how it's going to be enforced. So it is up to each university. I do not know the exact way that we're going to go about it, but I would assume that it would have a lot to do with student affairs, maybe ticketing students, we don't really know. It will be more educational than punitive.
Over $56,000 was spent to build 11 smoking shelters on campus, like this one, to create a healthier environment for the campus. But these shelters will soon be removed, and the spaces will have no other purpose.
Yes, it was a lot of money spent to put the smoking shelters in and be used by the students and the faculty and staff. But the Board of Regents decided that, it's all about health, perspective and looking at the health risks associated with smoking and secondhand smoke, and the cost of that was much greater than the cost of losing the shelters that, that we had already put in years ago.
31 campuses around the state will be affected by the ban, and 3 other states have passed similar bans for their schools. Georgia's policy will go into effect this October. For GC360, I'm Robin Glaubman.